Today we've been exhibiting at the Clean NZ show. This has been a fantastic opportunity to showcase the partnership between Abco and Proquip. On the 1st of October, Abco procured a majority share of Proquip NZ, and with the partnership, we're truly adding value to everyone involved in the cleaning sector in New Zealand, bringing innovation and unbelievable service and technology to enhance everybody's working life, to bring about better cleaning results, and of course, every single day we're adding value through cost reductions and improved efficiencies.
Been a really good day, awesome venue here at Christchurch. Had a lot of good customers come past, seen a lot of new gear, Enviroplus range, Numatic range. It's been excellent, and we're looking forward to taking the next steps with the cleaning industry in New Zealand.
Something that never ceases to amaze me is the ability for New Zealanders to adapt and of course be early adopters of innovation. As we know, there's always a resistance to change, but in New Zealand, we've got truly a desire to bring the world first or world-class innovation to the forefront and adopt it early, and then you get with cleaner facilities, happier cleaners, and overall better results for the industry.